Now, as regards the software, the robot is powered by a Raspberry Pi computer and runs on a Linux operating system, the Raspbian operating system. And I chose to develop software for it in using the Node.js programming language so that I could be able to have a server that can serve simple web pages that would serve as the user interface for controlling the robot. So now the server part consists of various software modules, all Node.js modules, as you can see there. These are some of them. And then it also has a single HTML page code for the whole user interface system. It's actually just one HTML page. And then you also have well, initially I experimented with Python, writing the drive software in Python and all of that. It worked fine, but I really strongly desire to make sure that I can have a web server, a WebSocket server, in order for the robot to be able, as you can see there, WebSocket server libraries. I strongly desire to have the robot being able to share real-time data as regards the encoder values and the limit switch states and things like that with the user through the user interface, and for the user to be able to send commands, and for multiple users looking at the robot's control panel to have the same data relayed to them. So that was the reason for the robot. So now, how does it look? The user interface can be accessed from any browser. If you connect to the address, then you can access the user interface there, as you can see. So when the home page, like I said, it's one HTML code, but it gives an impression as though it's many pages. When you click here, you can zero all encoders, and this is where I normally click. As soon as the robot is zeroed, you can proceed without zeroing. So now it gives you a UI that allows you to control the robot manually and things like that. As you can see, if we take this part, this is where you write the duty cycle for the pulse width modulation, and then this is for the direction and such. So now not only can it do manual controls, but it can also run preset sequences. So if you click here, then you can even click here to create a new sequence. You can name it anything that you want, and then there, and then it gives you this other box here that allows you to be able to keep on adding the coordinates every time you move the robot to another position. And then you can add the coordinate and so forth. So, and then when you are done, you can save the sequence, or you can delete the sequence. So since that was just for demonstration, then I just deleted it. So it also gives you, these are the sequences that were created. So this is a built-in sequence. It cannot be edited or deleted, but any of these can be deleted, edited, or run. So now the sequence that I demonstrated in one of the videos was this one. So you simply come there, and then you can run the sequence, and then it runs the sequence, but only when it is zeroed. So that's it.